Welcome back to our YouTube channel, and this is JR with my partner
Calvin.
Yes, and we are here in Creek, Dubai. Yeah, this is a creek side, and we are going to show you another lens, 10 to 18 millimeter. Why should all the vlogger, or why should every vlogger should have this 10 to 18 millimeter lens? So
Highly recommended.
Highly recommended as per the review that I have watched, but let us see the on hand.
So we're going to test it now.
Yeah, we're going to test on the vlog, the video stabilizer, because we don't have the gimbal, we just have the tripod. Okay, so it's like a handheld. How smooth it is because it's wide, so let's see if it's shaky or not. And we will also cater, we'll show you later. We will ride a boat, right?
Yes.
We'll go on the other side of the creek. We'll ride a boat. Maybe we can have some street food. Is available this time or no?
What is available?
Street foods.
Street foods, I don't think so. It's only in the evenings.
Okay.
But we can have some chai.
Temple something. No.
Let's see. We can go and.
Okay. So yeah, we will show you, like, this is a kind of old Dubai. So now we want to show you like the old Dubai.
Yes.
What is
This
Dubai
used
before?
to be a hub before, back in the 90s.
Yes. Since I living Dino's TV, what we know we share, and today we want to share with you what is Dubai before. Okay, so everything becomes scratch at the beginning, right?
Yeah.
And it becomes a skyscraper. Okay, so we want to show you, and we
So
want
before, in those days in 80s and 90s, if anybody has to go back to India or go back to Philippines, they have to come to these places to do shopping and all that stuff.
Oh, really?
Yes.
So this is like a souvenir shop.
So this was,
I haven't been here before actually.
I don't believe why you haven't. I can't believe you've not come here.
Yeah, I don't know, because see, we want to go to mall only, to this JLT and Dubai Marina to see the new Dubai, but the old Dubai we should experience as
Yeah,
well.
so you have the street shops and all that stuff. People selling, dry fruits and ornaments, antiques and all that stuff.
Oh, okay. So yeah, I'm so excited to experience this old Dubai. Join us, guys. Okay, guys. So now we will just do the walking test using this 10 to 18 millimeter. On our side, this is a creek. It's very bright. I don't know if they can see it. Can you check? Right now. This is a creek side. Creek park. We have here before. We have vlog here, but this time we will just test this 10 to 18 millimeter lens. Doing the vlog, it's a bit heavy. People are very less this time because it's middle of the day.
Yeah, it's a perfect time to vlog.
Yeah, perfect time to vlog. If you want to come here and you want to be alone, just come to this place. And actually, if you are thinking if you will buy this 10 to 18 millimeter, why not using your kit lens? Kit lens will look like this, bro.
Yeah, washroom.
Washroom, wait. Kit lens will be like this, and 10 to 18 millimeter will be like this. So what is the difference? It's a huge difference. Wait.
अच्छा वही वाला बोट ये क्रॉसिंग का आरटी वाला किधर है बोट
Abra.
अच्छा ये पहला वाला वाइट वाला
Okay, guys, so we are going to ride a boat, and yeah, he offered something actually. So for like 8 people, right?
for 8 people speedboat across the stretch for 30 minutes 60 dirhams for 30 minutes.
It's a good deal.
It's a very good deal.
Yeah, it's a good deal.
And for 1 hour it is 120.
Yeah.
We can still bargain, right?
Yeah, but
See,
since
this is the boat, the first one.
so we can take 8 people, and they will bring you to that side and roam around there.
Yeah, 2 bridges and then some palace something.
That's okay. It's a good experience. We'll try this week.
Yeah, we'll come for sure.
Yeah, that's one thing for sure.
We'll bring our colleagues and stuff.
Yeah, we'll bring Ren. Hopefully, it will be free. What time we will come? Let's see. Okay, so it's a bit windy. I hope it will not affect the microphone because of this fur. Like Calvin said, it's like
It's like a cat.
It's like a cat feather. See the birds.
So this is the Al Sabqa station. This is actually a station.
Station. Ah. Okay, so we are here now in a boat. I don't know how much it will cost, but I think it's only $1. Huh?
I don't know. Let's see.
Let's see.
5.
Max 5. Okay, we're going now. Yes. So there you go. It's 2 dirham each to cross from that side going to the other side. So what is in the other side, bro?
Bardubai and Dera.
So from Dera,
there is another Bardubai.
we're going to Bordubai, and I think that's textile, right?
Textile and a lot of like
Yeah.
street shops.
Yeah, textile and street shops. So you can find some textile. Okay.
It's like an old marketplace.
Yeah, old marketplace. Yeah, let's check. Okay, so there you go, guys. We're going outside. Yeah, be careful. We're going out. So we are now here in Al Fahidi metro station. Al Fahidi side. So yes, we can see here.
So you have these markets over there. You want to go inside the market and vlog in there? I think this will be more lively in the evening. A lot of people coming, and now due to COVID and all that stuff, most of it is closed. Let's take a walk.
So we'll check the temple thing.
Yeah.
What is inside the temple?
We may have to remove our shoes and stuff.
Then
Probably.
hopefully it's open.
He said it's 2 minutes. We just need to go in here.
Then
2 minutes walk, and then there's a temple. So let's check it out, guys.
check out the temple thing. Let's see. Hear the smell.
Ah, I love it. It's like that old antique smell. Next, we have shops here from Turkey, India, Pakistan, like those areas. So we need to find out where the temple is here. I guess this is the way, but it's closed.
It's open.
Oh, this is the temple gates. Yeah. Yeah, these are the gates. It's closed.
Okay, so it's closed.
Temple and churches and mosques are closed. All these are like shops.
For us, it's called sampagita, bro.
What?
That flower.
Huh?
Sampagita.
Sampagita.
Sampa.
Sampagita.
They also have sampagita, guys.
Spaghetti.
He only eats his spaghetti.
Okay, so he's-
you know, explore anything, or we cannot explore more. Okay, because of the situation. So I think Calvin should really go to the Philippines. So guys, we're coming back to Creek, and we need to take another boat going to Creek. Creek
to creek.
Creek to Creek. Okay guys, so that sum up our 10mm review and our creek to Dera to
Dera to
Al Fahidi, Bordubai. Yeah, using this boat for 2 dirhams each, very economical.